Hi, good evening, dear students. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics teacher from Real Navodaya Coaching Center, Sindhanuru. Dear students, already we have started that first chapter from Navodaya section, that is number sign, number system. Yes, today I will continue that remaining part in the chapter. Yes, chapter name already, as you know that. Chapter 1. Number sign, number system. Number system. Yes, those are interested dear students to take coaching in our institution. Please contact to this number. This is my contact number: 782-994-1303. This is my contact number, dear students. From our coaching center, online classes and as well as offline classes also available. Residential and non-residential classes also available. Okay. Please don't wait. Don't waste the time. Please contact this number. Register your name in your institution. Okay, dear students, let's begin the video. Yes. Today topic, that is second number system, that is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Yes, already as we know that we have studied that natural numbers. Natural numbers is nothing but the set of all counting numbers is called as natural numbers. Then what do you mean by whole numbers? Whole numbers is nothing but it is the set of natural numbers and zero. It is the set of all natural numbers and zero. It is the set of all natural numbers and zero is called as whole numbers. Then whole number set can be represented by capital letter W, flower bracket of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, n. Yes, this is the set of whole numbers. Yes, some small questions will be arise in your examinations. I will clear that. Point number 1. The smallest whole number is, as we know that, 0. The smallest whole number is 0. Then second point is all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Right? Because of here except 0 does not have positive sign or negative sign. 0 does not have negative or positive sign. For that reason, except 0, all whole numbers are natural numbers. One more point is all whole numbers are not negative numbers. Yes. Then this is the small introduction regarding to that whole numbers. The symbol for whole numbers is W. Then the smallest whole number is 0. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. All whole numbers are not negative numbers. All whole numbers are not negative. One more point. Except 0, all whole numbers are natural numbers. There is no doubt at all. Natural numbers. Then second set, that is integers. Yes. Now, what do you mean by integers? Already we have discussed natural number sign, whole numbers very clearly. Then third point is integers. What do you mean by integers? Integers is nothing but it is the set of all positive numbers and negative numbers including 0. Set of, yes, set of all positive numbers and negative numbers includes 0 is called as integers. The symbol for integer set is I or Z. The integer set can be denoted by capital letter I or small letter Z. Sorry, capital letter I and capital letter Z. It can be represented in the form of lower bracket of middle 0, right side of the 0, positive numbers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, dot n. Here left side of the zeros, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dot n. Here they may be asked questions, you people. All integers are not whole numbers. Mind it. Student. Point number 1. All integers are not positive numbers. Are not positive numbers. Point number 1. Because of here positive numbers are also present, negative numbers are also present. For that reason, all integers are not positive. Point number 1. All integers are not negative numbers. Are not negative numbers. 0, as you know that it neither positive nor negative. Okay, dear students, this is small introduction regarding to the whole number sign integers. Those are need to make it clear. Pause the video and once again check it. Okay, read every point clearly. This is very each and every point very important for the point of your examination speed. Okay, yes. Let's in my next video I will come to with the next topic. Thank you all.